Welcome back Java Explorers. In our last video, we learned about variables and data types. Today, we are diving deeper into this ocean of data types. As we learned before, Java has 8 primitive data types: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, and boolean. Each of these data types has a different size and a different range of values that it can hold. Let's look at them. Let's start with a byte. A byte can hold a whole number between -128 and 127. It's the smallest numeric data type in Java. It uses just 1 byte of memory and is used to save memory in large arrays. Next, we have short. A short can hold a whole number between -32,768 and 32,767. It's twice as big as a byte. It uses 2 bytes of memory and is used when a byte is not large enough to hold the value. Then we have int. An int can hold a whole number between this. It's the most commonly used integer data type. It uses 4 bytes of memory. Next is long. A long can hold a whole number between this given range. It's used when an int is not large enough to hold the value, and it uses 8 bytes of memory. Now, let's talk about float and double. These are used to hold basically decimal numbers. A float can hold a decimal number with up to 7 decimal places, and it generally uses 4 bytes of memory. However, a double can hold a decimal number with up to 15 decimal places, and it uses 8 bytes of memory. Double is more precise, so it's the default choice for decimal numbers in Java. Next, we have the char data type. A char can hold a single character like A or 1 or a $. It's used to store characters and uses 2 bytes of memory. Finally, we have a boolean. A boolean can hold one of these 2 values, true and false. It's used for conditions and flags, and it uses just 1 byte of memory. And there you have it. See you in this next video, where we'll learn about type conversion and casting, a very important concept in Java.